Here's how to edit a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. First, locate the PDF file on your computer. Right-click on it, select Open With, and then choose Adobe Acrobat. Once it's open, you'll see your PDF inside Adobe Acrobat. Now, the first thing you need to do is click on All Tools at the top. From there, select Edit PDF. As soon as you click Edit PDF, you'll be able to customize and edit the contents of your PDF. For example, you can edit existing text or change any values in the document. Let's say I change this value to 600. As you can see, the PDF content updates immediately. If you want to add something new to your PDF, look at the left panel and select Add Content. From there, you can add text, images, headers, footers, and more. For now, I'll choose text. Then, click anywhere inside the PDF and type whatever you want. For example, I'll type Edited PDF. As you can see, the new text has been added. After that, you can customize the text by changing the font, size, color, and other formatting options. Another thing you can do is move existing text. Simply zoom in if needed, hover over the text until your cursor changes to a four-sided arrow, then click and drag it to a different location in the PDF. You can also delete text. Hover over the text until the cursor changes to the four-sided arrow, right-click on it, and then select Delete. Finally, once you're done editing your PDF, click Save at the top. This will save your changes and replace the original PDF with the edited version. That's all for this video. Thanks.